My name is Malgorzata Sibilski. I have a lot of family, 6 grandchildren, 3 children, everybody like it. You understand it's for big pot?
It's to make one big batch. It's a 2-day process, and we break it up for 2 days so that everything is cooked according to the way it needs to be.
This is ready for pots. Sometimes it's 80 gallons, sometimes it's 100 gallons for 1 week. Yeah? The meat is 1 day before, and the next day we pick it up. The meat is cold. It's nice for slice.
You know, in Poland and Czech and Russia, everybody makes borscht, and I'm sure it's on every menu in Sochi because it's a cultural identifying marker of Slavic people in general. They all identify with it.
It's a lot of process, a lot of work, and this is the best. This is a rich soup, yeah? So everything is flavored. This is a lot of the vegetables and the lima beans, beets, and the meat, yeah? Not ready. It's not ready.
You know, it's not like an average restaurant where you will go through 20 pounds of beets. We get 80 pounds at a time, 300 pounds of onions, you know.
Look at this, the color. Yeah, so beautiful.
I was just recently told that borscht is on the menu in a McDonald's in Tokyo because there's so many Russian emigres there. So it's what we identify with. It's what we would eat every day, you know.
I love it. I'm happy. People like it for my soup.